Entering now, we have Mercury. The degrees in Mercury is 800 degrees Fahrenheit. It takes 88 days to orbit the sun. It is 43 million miles from the sun. It has the smallest axis tilt. It is full of craters. In front of Mercury is the sun, and back is Venus. We just found out that there is a 57-mile deep and 57-mile wide crater. And that is our facts about Mercury.
Wow, look at Venus's colors. Oh, oops, we were just informed Venus is burning up. Sorry, just a joke. Venus is the hottest planet. Venus has a sporting orange. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It takes 224.7 Earth days to travel around the sun. Venus is named after the goddess of love.
Up next, Mars. Mars is an orangish-yellowish planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. Earth and Jupiter are surrounding Mars. Mars has 2 moons. It takes 25 hours just to rotate around the sun. Mars is half the size of Earth and has 2 satellites. Mars takes 1.9 years to revolve around the sun. That's the facts about Mars.
Here comes Jupiter in 5th position. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun. Its neighboring planets are Mars and Saturn. Jupiter is made of gas, a little bit of liquid, and may have a solid core of rocky material. This planet has 16 moons. That would be a bright night. 4 of Jupiter's moons are Io, Europa, Callista, and Ganymede. It takes 12 years for it to go around the sun. Jupiter takes 10 hours to revolve once. Jupiter has a red spot that is a storm. It looks like a lava pit. The red spot storm has lasted over 100 years. That's a long storm. More than 20 pieces of comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 hit the surface of Jupiter in 1994. There are dark spots where the pieces of Shoemaker-Levy 9 hit the surface of Jupiter.
Saturn, the ring planet. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. The planets besides Saturn are Uranus and Jupiter. Saturn is made up of gas and its rings are made of rocks. Saturn is the second fastest planet at rotating. Saturn makes one rotation in 10 hours and 39 minutes. The temperature at the top of Saturn's clouds is negative 285 Fahrenheit or negative 176 Celsius. Saturn has the lowest density than any other planet, but has the second greatest mass in the solar system. A probe called Pioneer Saturn orbited the closest to Saturn on September 1st, 1979. Also, Saturn has at least 18 moons. That's Saturn's story, the 6th planet from the sun.
Ooh la la! Here comes Uranus, sporting a nice sky blue. Its neighbors Saturn and Neptune look a little jealous. 30,685 Earth days is what it takes to have a revulsion for Uranus. Ice, ammonia, and methane make Uranus a solid. 27 moons take the trip with Uranus around the sun. Oh, that's cold! Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. Uranus is the coldest because of its strange core. It doesn't absorb the sun's energy like other planets. So now you know Uranus, in and out.
Here comes Neptune next in line. Did you know that Neptune is made of water and gas and has 8 moons that scientists know of? Neptune is in front of Pluto and behind Uranus. Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun. It is also 26 billion miles from the sun. There are 16 hours in Neptune's day. Did you know that scientists have been to Neptune one time with Voyager 2? Neptune's largest storm is known to be the Great Dark Spot. Also, the Great Dark Spot can cover the whole Earth. Wow, that's a huge storm. Did you know that Neptune can't be seen without a telescope? There's so many interesting facts about Neptune. Well, that's it, folks. It has been 16 hours already. Last but not least, that looks like a gray freckle. Pluto is made of rock and ice. Pluto takes 250 years to revolve around the sun. Pluto's neighbor is Neptune, and Pluto and gravity. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Pluto is the smallest planet, like the dog breed Chihuahua or the dwarf Pluto. Is it a little ball? No!